There are so many levels and so many layers to fashion. On the outer layers, you're seeing just a designer, but when you start to peel back the layers, you are seeing garment technologists, garment fit specialists, creative directors, artists. Our students graduate here with the skill to do it all.
The Jefferson Fashion Design program is special because I don't know where to start with. It's a lot of things.
I feel like I was supposed to be here. This is exactly where I was supposed to be. I got to do a lot of cool things, like intern in the Empire State Building.
Last year, I was able to go to Paris, and this year, I'm taking a New York immersion class where we're traveling to New York every Friday. We get to see how different parts of the industry work. It puts us...
Through Jefferson, I was able to work at Champion over the summer as a design intern. I was able to win the Fashion Scholarship Fund twice. I was able to showcase my upcycling design at Philly Fashion.
I was able to get an internship at Spirit/Spencer Halloween, and it was the most fun internship I had in my life.
I've gotten to intern at Victoria's Secret, and I got to present my red dress at the American Heart Association.
I really want to get into costume design, either for theater or like movies.
I want to do personal styling. I just like the idea of helping people find their personal aesthetic.
I will be going to New York City to work at American Eagle.
I was able to take a tech design class. I've taken draping classes. I'm currently in a building brand identity class, which I'm loving. What's next? I am going to pursue an MBA. I also currently have a job at a company called Buckle.
We've had students working as 3D virtual fashion designers. We have students who are working in the adaptive wear markets. We have students who are working in sustainability, in costume design, in sourcing, in textile design. There's so much opportunity out there.
100% of our graduates got a job last year and the year before that and the year before that because they show their work. They work very hard. They're very smart. They're really creative, and they reach.
I think what makes the Jefferson Fashion Design program so special to me is that everyone that you meet really tries to set you up for success.
I've become really close friends with my peers. They've helped a lot along the way, and I'm a transfer student, so I didn't really know anybody when I got here, but they were just so warm and welcoming.
I want to thank my professors for always pushing me and always having my back.
Thank you, Carly and Kim, for helping me throughout my Jefferson experience.
I want to say thank you to my family, my mom most of all, because she has supported me ever since I started taking apart those Barbie dolls.
Thank you, Mom, for always believing in me and turning my I can'ts into you can. I love you, Mom.
I want to thank my parents and my whole extended family.
Thank you to my mom and my grandparents for having the best style and kind of pushing me into fashion.
I want to say thank you to my parents, to the Marine Corps. Muchas gracias a toda mi gente, los amo.
Хотелось бы передать отдельное спасибо моей семье и моим родителям.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for all the support that you have given me the past 4 years. Thank you, shukran.
I would also like to thank my grandma. She's not here with us anymore, but she was a really good inspiration for me, and it was just amazing to see like such a strong woman kind of push through her life the way that she did, and it's really inspiring to see that. So I love you, Grandma.
Thank you to all the people in my life who have brought me to this point. And gracias por todo. And gracias con mi papá. Gracias.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. And sorry. Should I start over? I'm gonna miss just being in college. I'm gonna miss the people.
Understand that the journey is not linear, but if you always trust your intuition, it will always be your guiding light.
I want you to feel empowered to make the changes that you know you want to see in the world and not back down from that.
Be brave. Use the confidence that you've gathered by doing all of your work with us so far. I'll also give you a piece of advice from my wife. When I leave the house, she often says to me, "Be brilliant."
Jefferson really meets you where you're at and helps you become the designer you're meant to be.
I will never forget who I am. I will never forget where I came from. I will never stop pushing myself out of my comfort zone.
I'm redefining possible by not being afraid. I'm just going straight into it. I'm letting my dreams lead me.
We need fresh faces. We need to really push the industry, to push the boundaries. We need something colorful. We need something playful, something bright in this very dark world.
There's hope in every generation of students. The more we learn and the more we realize and the new technology that comes out, the more we can create and innovate.
I need to do this because I'm so passionate about it. I mean, I've worked so hard for a very long time to get to this point.
As designers, we will continue to tell our stories. We will continue to embrace diversity and inclusivity. We will continue to show up and be authentically us. When the students get to their senior year and they come running down the hallway and they show you what they've created, it's so emotional and deeply impactful because you remind them that when they came in here, they didn't know how to do any of that. And the fact that they're seniors and they're now teaching me how to do things, that is my moment of yes. And that is why I show up here every single day with joy. Those will always be my moments of yes.